Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the CNK600. It's a brand new unit, and as you can see it's a little bit larger than our standard units. It has 4 built-in retractors. It has a power socket here with the USB charging stations, and it also has 8 snap-in locations where you can install keystone snap-in connectors. Also, there's an option for this unit to have international power supplies instead of US power supplies. The 4 retractors are programmable. That means you can order any type of retractors. In this case I put one VGA retractor, one 3.5mm retractor, one RJ45 retractor, and one HDMI retractor. So what we're going to do right now is to cut the table and install this unit in the table. One of the distinguished marks of this unit is that you don't need to have any type of brackets on the bottom of the table. It has mounting screws on each side here, so once we install it, we'll just secure those screws and the unit will be fully installed. That means you can remove the unit from the top. You never have to go underneath the table. Alright, let's get started with cutting the table and putting this unit inside. What you see here is a template for the CNK600, and there's 4 locations for 4 drill holes that we're going to make. Once we drill those holes, then we're going to cut it using the jigsaw that I have here. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. Okay, let's clean this a little bit up before we start cutting. Alright, now we're going to use a jigsaw to cut 4 corners. Okay. Let's remove this template and clean the table. Okay, and now we're ready to put the CNK600 into the cutout. So we're going to slowly slide it in, and it will just drop in. Okay, to secure it, there's 4 screws, 2 on each side. So I'm going to tighten those screws. And that's we're all done. So now we have a CNK600 installed. We have a VGA retractor. We have audio retractor. We have 3.5mm retractor. HDMI retractor. We have 2 powers, 2 USB chargers, 4 audio inputs, and also there's 8 snap-in, keystone snap-ins available to expand the unit.